Hi viewers, welcome to linuxscript.com. Today we are going to see about how to install SilverStripe on Linux Mint 18.3. SilverStripe is a very popular open source content management system. It's written in PHP programming language and using MySQL database and framework that can help you to create and manage the content of your websites and web applications. Before starting our installation, we have to new LAMP setup, that is Apache, MySQL and PHP. Here we have to use PHP version 7.0. Okay, first of all, we have to download SilverStripe CMS package using by duplicate command. Now download is going on. After downloading, we have to list out this directory. This is a zip format, so we have to extract this file using by unzip command. Then again we have to list out this directory. Now we have to move the file into the /var/ww/html directory. Then go to HTML directory. Now we have to list out this directory. Then we have to change ownership and permission for SSStrip directory. Give requestly. Now we have to edit the php.ini file. So using the following this command. First of all, search memory limit. Change insert mode. Then give 256 MB. Then second search upload maximum file size. Change 64 MB. Then search maximum execution time. Change 360. Then search time zone. First of all, uncomment this line. Then give your time zone. Then save and quit the file. After that, we have to configure the virtual host for SilverStripe CMS. So go to site available location. Here we have to create one empty file named ssstrip.conf using by Vim editor. Change insert mode. Then here we have to add the following content. Then save and quit the file. Now we have to enable the ssstrip.conf file. After that, we have to enable the read write module. After enabling, we have to enter to the host file. Change insert mode. Then give your IP. Then give your domain name. then save and quit the file. Then finally we have to restart your Apache web server. After restarting Apache web server, we have to open the browser. Then here we have to give local IP or domain name. Here I have to give domain name. Hit enter. After restarting Apache web server, we have to open the browser. Here we have to give local IP or domain name. Here I have to give domain name. Here it will show SilverStripe framework installation. Here it will show PHP configuration, file permissions and web server configuration. Also status enables. Then here we have to configure the database. So we have to fill the database details. First of all, give database username. Then give password. Then give database name. Then recheck requirements. Now database configuration also status enabled. Now we have to fill the admin credential. So first of all, give email address. Then give password. Then select your language. Then confirm installation. Now we have to click install SilverStripe. Here it will show SilverStripe installation successfully installed. If you want login your SilverStripe admin page, click here. Here it will show login page of SilverStripe CMS. First of all, give your email address. Then password. Then click login and continue. Here it will show admin dashboard of SilverStripe CMS. Now we can able to create and edit the website and web pages. That's all about for installation of SilverStripe CMS. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linuxhelp. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxhelp.com.